Looking for a fun and profitable way to spend your time? Look no further. In this exciting video, I will show you how to earn money by matching puzzles. Discover the secrets of solving puzzles quickly and accurately while also earning cash rewards. Whether you're a puzzle enthusiast or just looking for an extra income stream, this video is for you. Join the ranks of successful puzzle solvers who are making bank from the comfort of their own homes. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Watch now and start earning money to match puzzles today. Before we embark on this exciting journey, I highly recommend that you take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss any of our insightful videos where we consistently share novel and groundbreaking methods to help you achieve financial success in the online world. You can do this from anywhere around the globe, and will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so we can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Looking for a fun and rewarding way to earn money? With this exciting free app, Toy Bomb Match Blast Puzzles app, you can earn money to match puzzles. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey where you can exercise your brain, have a blast, and earn real cash at the same time. Imagine being able to make money while engaging in enjoyable puzzle games. With this app, you can turn your free time into a profitable venture. Whether you're waiting in line, relaxing at home, or taking a break from work, you can now easily increase your income with every puzzle you solve. Toy Bomb Blast Cubes Puzzles is the most popular blast game, full of challenges and fun. Filled with thousands of fun and challenging match 3 puzzle levels. Come to an exciting adventure in the world of Toy Bomb. Swap color blocks, match cubes, and create powerful combos to blast the toy cubes. Solve puzzles and pause levels to get tons of rewards. Enjoy solving puzzles. Match and crush the cube in a fun classic game full of challenges. A lot of uber wonderful puzzles to enjoy. Each new episode comes with free coins, unique awards, surprising tasks, and uber cool matches. Download Toy Bomb Match Blast Puzzles app now and start earning while having fun today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to boost your bank account with just a few taps. At the conclusion of this remarkable video, if you have found it to be both enjoyable and informative, I kindly request that you express your appreciation by granting it a resounding thumbs up. Additionally, I encourage you to engage in the comments section below with your thoughts and opinions, as your input is highly valued. It would be immensely gratifying if you could also share this video with others who may find it valuable. Your support plays a pivotal role in our continued efforts to create more enriching content like this. Lastly, do not overlook the importance of subscribing to our channel and activating the notification bell so that you never miss out on future videos of similar caliber.